Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and this is how to split activity on Strava. So guys, first thing that you will do is simply go ahead and go to strava.com and log in into your account. And from here, just simply go ahead and click on activities over here. And after that, just simply go ahead and select your activity. And as you can see, you should be able to see here all of your activity. So let's say I'm gonna split this activity over here. So I'm just gonna click on it. And once you click on it, you should be able to see here these three dots over here, or the action button. And from here, you should be able to see here split. So just simply click on split over here, guys. And now you will have two options. You can go for two activities or three activities. So guys, if you are having a duathlon, which is run and bike, or run, bike, swim, you can toggle on the three activities. And for now, I'm gonna go for two activities. And from here, just simply select where the split of the activity or where the transition area is. And just simply select where is it on the map over here. And once you have done that, you can just simply click on split over here. And after that, you can just simply go ahead and click on split. And as you can see, it is permanent once you split it. So I'm gonna go for split. And after that, just simply wait for it to progress. And now guys, from here, as you can see, we will have two activities now, which we just split earlier. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.